How many animals are in the whole world? Approximately 8.7 million species on Earth. 1-2 million of those species are animals. The largest bird alive is the answer. Ostrich. The smallest bird alive is the answer. Hummingbird. Fastest flying bird is answer. Peregrine falcon 390 km/h. An animal doctor is called a answer. Veterinarian. How many arms an octopus has? Answer. 8. The arms of the octopus are called answer. Tentacles. The fastest moving land snake in the world is the answer. Black mamba. A group of lions is called a answer. Pride. A group of invertebrate animals which have segments body and jointed limbs are called answer. Arthropods.